In this video, we are asked to calculate the speed. They say a car travels a distance of about 500 watt-meter in 20 seconds. Calculate the speed of the car in meter per second and kilometer per hour. Let's look at the data given to us. In the data, the distance is given. Distance is given to us to be equals to what? 500 watt-meter. Then time is also given. Time is given to us to be what? 20 watt-second. The only thing that was not given to us is speed, and they are asked to calculate the speed in meter per second and kilometer per hour. What is the formula for speed? We say speed is equals to what? Distance all over what? Time. Alright, so that means our speed now will be equals to what? This 500, which is the distance, meter over what? 20 watt-second. Then our speed will be equals to what? 25 watt-meter per second. We have already calculated speed in meter per second. Now, to get our speed in kilometer per hour, we are going to what? Multiply this our answer. That means speed in kilometer per hour will be equals to what? This 25 times 3.2. When you times it by 3.6, then you are converting it to what? Kilometer per hour. Then our final answer will be equals to what? That is 25 multiplied by 3.6. Then in kilometer per hour, speed is equals to what? 90 kilometer per hour. Thank you.